Before we start, make sure you rinse the lentils first to remove any dust and debris. Just run tap water through a strainer. Dry them by shaking the strainer and set it aside. Let's prep the vegetables. Peel the onion and cut it into small dice. You can use red onion or yellow. I like to use red because it has a stronger taste. And then I'm going to prep the potato. Take 3 cloves of garlic and grate them. You can chop them too, but grating them will bring out the best natural flavor of garlic. Head to the link in my description below to check the recipe and the nutritional value of lentil soup. Turn on the heat. Heat up some olive oil for frying in a pot or Dutch oven. Sauté onions in medium heat until they turn translucent. Make sure to turn the fire on medium. We want the onion to soften slowly, releasing the aroma. Stir gradually to make sure onion cook evenly. Now, let's add some grated garlic. Garlic needs less time to cook and it's easily burnt, so make sure to not cook them in high heat and for a long time. Add pepper and turmeric. Give it another stir and let it sizzle for about less than a minute. I'm going to add all natural and less sodium tomato paste and stir the mix. Now it's time to pour our washed lentils into the pot. I'm using green lentils, the classic Persian way. Add water to create the base of our lentil soup. Add diced potato in. And don't forget salt to bring out all the flavor together. Turn the heat on high. We want our soup to come to a nice rolling boil. Once it's boiling, turn down the heat and let it simmer. This slow cooking process is important to allow the flavors to develop and intensify. Give it about 25 minutes and our soup will be ready to enjoy. I wish you can smell that. Let's check if our potatoes are soft enough. If they easily break apart with a spoon, it's time to turn off the heat. So there you have it. Give it a try and let me know what you think.